Hello everyone, myself Monu from group number 322. Today our topic is vision. The structure of the eye is so symmetrically. The eye is a self-regulating system. Its optical shortcomings are a considerable extent compensated by regulatory mechanisms that optimize the operation of the eye. The most important of these are the focusing of an image on the retina and the regulating of amount of light that fall on the retina. The focusing on sharpening up of the image on the retina is accomplished through automatic change of the radius of the lens curvature by accommodation. The shape of the crystalline lens is considered by a ring of muscles surrounding the lens. These are called the ciliary muscles. The contraction or relaxation of the ciliary muscles occur in response to the defocusing of image. The accommodation system is a scanning system since it brings the image of distant or nearby object into sharp focus. To optimize the focusing of the eye, it is necessary that the amount of the light that enter it by the lens be regulated. That is actually actually regulated is the extent of opening of the optical structure of the lens. In bright light the lens is narrowed, and in dim light the lens is widened. This is affected by two anal antagonist muscles, circular and radial smooth muscles fibers, that form the structure of the iris diaphragm. The phenomenological interpretation of such a system is based on the general proposition of theory of control. An input signal that enter the system is different from the regulated. The difference between the input signal and the setting is the uh, error signal. The purpose of the regulating device consists in receiving the required output signal. The regulating system consists of a controller and an object to be controlled. It contains a feedback circuit. Let us consider the structure of retina. This is multi-layer structure so symmetrically in figure this. An image is produced on the pigment epithelium in the outer three layer. There is realized a synaptic coupling of receptor cell to rod and cones with nerve horizontal cell for the other nerve cell, bipolar cell, fifth, and am, amacrine cell six. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth mm, are connected synaptically in layer 7 with ganglion cell 8, which nerve is which serve is a direct source of impulse that arrive at axon of the optic nerve. The input signal of the optic image on the pigment epithelium, and the output signal is the neural image coded by impulse in the optical nerve for light to reach The photoreceptor at it must pass through the layer of nerve cell, and the photoreceptor cell are thus protected against harmful effect. The light sensitive receptor cell, the rod and cone, are extended structure made of many specialized compartments that form a sequence of parallel discs. The rod and cone of a frog are so symmetrically in figure 14.16. The disc contain photoreceptor molecular division. The required substance are delivered by flagella to the disc from the basal body of the cell. Light is absorbed in the disc by the molecular system described the next section. In it has been found that the protein of the disc are continually renewed. It is stabilized fact that the cone are responsible for color vision and the rod are sensitive to low level of illumination. As far back as 1756, Luminoso wrote about the visual reception of three colors, three species of other particle: red, yellow, and blue. In 1802, Young proposed a theory of color vision based on assumption of existence of three types of light sensitive substance in the retina. The theory of color vision was further devel- developed by Maxwell and Helmholtz. This theory has been supported by direct measurement of light absorbed by individual cones. There are three types of cones characterized by different curve of absorption of photopigments. Figure 14.70 show these curve for primates. The curve for men are very similar to them. The receptors of invertebrates are arranged in different manner. In many cases, they are sensitive and in a wide spectral region. The mechanism of transformation of an optical image on the retina into a neural image which is passed to cerebral cortex are rather complex. In the retina, there occur the adaptation of two difference in light intensities and a spectral composition of light and the perception of a three-dimensional image and the motion of visual object. There have been carried out investigation of the image that arise in the optical nerve of a crab and vertebrate. The crab eye contain numerous receptors called the omatidia, which resemble the rod. It was possible to study the impulse generated by individual omatidia in the corresponding individual axon. In the dark, rare periodic impulses are propagated. Thank you.